So, hi everyone. Today we will start with trigonometry. This class is basically for all class 10th, 11th, 12th, everywhere where you are dealing with trigonometry. Fine. So, this video basically will give you an idea about what a trigonometry is because we'll be discussing just the basics of this. So, this is not basically for 10th, 11th, 12th, but everywhere where trigonometry is being used, you can use these concepts. I will start from the very basics, that is, from just the word trigonometry. Just understand what is the meaning of this word. So, we are dealing with trigonometry, that is trigonometry. As we know, tri means three, gon means angles, and metry means to measure. Right? So we are making measurements in a three-angle polygon. And we know that a three-angled polygon is nothing but a triangle. But there is a thing that needs to be considered, that we are dealing with a right angle triangle. So if we start with the basics, so a right angle triangle basically is like this. If I say I have a triangle ABC, I have a triangle ABC right angled at B, then this triangle will be A, B, right? So this is a right angle triangle and this is right angled at B. Now in this, we know from very junior classes that this particular side is known as perpendicular, that is P. This is base, that is B, and this is hypotenuse, that is H. We also know about Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem says that H squared is equals to P squared plus B squared. That is sufficient to start with trigonometry. Now, we will be discussing about some trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are really necessary to understand. So you have first trigonometric ratio as sine theta. This is the short form for sine of angle theta. Just understand, this theta is the name for the angle. Suppose you have like angle ABC and you will say that this is angle B. So I am just giving the angle a name, that is theta. So theta is nothing but the name of the angle or the measure of the angle. Fine. So this is measure of angle B or any angle we'll be discussing. So yes, first trigonometric ratio is sine theta. Second trigonometric ratio is cos theta, which is the short form for cosine of angle theta. Then we have third trigonometric ratio as tan theta. Tan theta is tangent of angle theta. Right? After these trigonometric ratios, we have some other ratios. But first of all, we will learn what these trigonometric ratios are. We are calling them ratios. Why? We will just understand this. तो इसको याद करने से पहले we'll have to learn a formula. We'll have to learn a statement. That is very easy. And what is that? You will laugh over that, but laugh. It's okay. So we have Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. I know this is hilarious, but this will help you a lot in the beginning of this trigonometry. Please understand this. So Pandit Badri Prasad Arhat bole, sona chandi tole. And this is very easy. So this P stands for nothing but perpendicular. B stands for nothing but base. This P again perpendicular. Then we have H, and B. Right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm making them the ratios. So we have P by H, B by H, and C by B. Now what to do with these Sona Chandi tole? So this is nothing but the ratio sine theta. This is nothing but the ratio cos theta. And this is nothing but tan theta. So see, trigonometry has become so easy. You have just learned about three ratios, that is sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. And from where you have learned that sine theta is nothing but P by H, that is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but B by H, that is base over hypotenuse. And tan theta is nothing but P by B, which is perpendicular over base. Also, please understand that this theta decides which side is base and which is perpendicular. Suppose I have a triangle A, B, C. So now I want you to write what will be sine A. Are you giving me the solution? So yes, many of you must have done this. So sine A is P by H. Please don't go with the definition only that this will be P, this will be H. No, now this will be theta. And we know जहाँ थीटा लाई करता है उस साइड को हम बेस बोलते हैं और थीटा के सामने वाले साइड को हम परपेंडिकुलर बोलते हैं. तो इस पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल में साइन A would be P by H, and for this A angle P will be BC and H is nothing but AC. Is this understood? Also you can try for sine C. So guys, sine C will be nothing but B by H. And for C, this is base. And this is hypotenuse. So BC over AC. So this will be cos C. Is nothing but BC over AC. So you have seen that sine A is equal to cos C. Right? Similarly, you can also work for tan C. And tan C is P by B. So here it would be AB by BC. And if you would want to write tan A, that would be BC by AB. I hope this concept has been clear to all of you because this is a very easy concept. So now, as we have learned about these three basic ratios, we will have to learn about the other three ratios because there are 6 basic ratios. So as you have learnt about now sine theta, you have become pro in sine theta. So yes, sine theta is a reciprocal of another trigonometric ratio, which is cosec theta. Remember, this cosec is the full form for cosecant of angle theta. Similarly, cos theta is reciprocal of another trigonometric ratio, which is sec theta. And this is secant of angle theta. Also, we have tan theta. And tan theta is the reciprocal for cot theta. So, cot theta will be cotangent of angle theta. So, I hope this is understood. Whenever you have sine theta, you can do 1 by cos theta is 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Also, by the definition, you must have noticed that tan theta is nothing but also equal to sine theta over cos theta. So then you have got enough knowledge now to at least try the first exercise of your trigonometry chapter in class 10th. And also for class 11, you guys must have got the basic idea again to begin with class 11th. So thank you. Now we will start with first exercise of class 10th in the next class, or I'll give you another advantage of attending my classes, that I will give you some basic idea about the quadrant system that will be used in class 11th as well as 10th. So please stay there, stay with Saral Shiksha Online and get all the updates on our latest videos. Thank you. Also, you can subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates and also click the notification bell. Thank you. Thanks a lot.